Hello everybody, and welcome to the Seneca Student Federation's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be sharing with you a simple and easy recipe to make your very own homemade hummus. Before you get started, make sure you have all of the items we have listed here. The basic items to make hummus: a tablespoon of black pepper, garlic, olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt to your own taste, tahini, a can of chickpeas, and some lemon juice. First, open the can of chickpeas and wash them under cold water. Now, to make the hummus, you're going to need a food processor, but if you don't have one, a blender will work just as well. Now, add in the salt, olive oil, pepper, and garlic. Add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, followed by 3 tablespoons of tahini. You may need to add a little bit of water to it as well, and then just keep blending until you reach your desired texture. Now it is complete and ready to be served. Pour it onto a bowl or a flat plate and add a little bit of olive oil on top and garnish with some olives. And that's all for this week. Be sure to let us know what you think in the comments section of this video. And if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, now's the perfect time. Join the Seneca Student Federation YouTube channel and keep up to date with all of our videos and events. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.